test quiz problem from 7th grade. So what you have to do is you need to calculate the shaded area. And look at the shaded area. This is a beautiful flower petal shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Well, this looks pretty overwhelming, right? So I'll explain. This is a perfect square. One side is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters. So this means this will be 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. And this is actually a part of a perfect circle. Part of a perfect circle, right? Okay, when you run into a huge, massive problem that seems overwhelming to you, what do you have to do? You cut it down to manageable steps that you can manage, okay? It's like eating a pie, but if the pie is massive, you will cut the pie and you will eat one little piece at a time. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are not going to think about this overwhelming flower petal. We are only going to think about one shape. We are only going to calculate this one leaf, okay? One flower petal, one leaf. And if we get the calculation of this one leaf, then what will you do? You are going to do times 4, then you will get the whole area. So let's do that. Step number 1, we're doing step number 1, which is calculating this much. 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Okay, this is actually a 1/4 of a circle. Do you see? It's a 1/4 of a circle. So if we get the calculation of 1/4 of a circle, and we get a calculation of this triangle, and subtract this triangle, then we will get the calculation of half a leaf. Do you see how significant this is? So this is all we have to do. Calculate the 1/4 of a circle and calculate the triangle. This minus this equals 1/2 of a leaf. Then times 2 means proper leaf, one leaf, and then times 4 means that's our answer. Do you get it? Can you get this? Okay, if you figure this out, rest of it is a piece of cake because it's just a simple calculation. All right. And this. So the calculation will be times 2 times 4 will be the answer we're looking for. So x equals 72 pi minus 144.